about dams and power products. அணை மற்றும் மின் திட்டங்கள். Name, location, state, purpose. Sabaragiri project, Pambakakki, Kerala. Hydroelectricity. Yedukki project, Periyar, Kerala. Hydroelectricity. Gandak project, Gandak, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Irrigation, hydroelectricity. Duan power station, Kheda district, Gujarat. Thermal power. Koshi project, Koshi, Bihar. Flood control, irrigation, hydroelectricity. Lower Seelaru project, Seelaru, Godavari. Andhra Pradesh, hydroelectricity. Mahandi Delta project, Mahandi, Orissa. Irrigation. Tawa project, Tawa, Narmada, Madhya Pradesh. Irrigation. Nagpur power station, Koradi, Maharashtra. Thermal power. Kunda project, Kunda, Tamil Nadu. Hydroelectricity. Rihan scheme, Rihan, Uttar Pradesh. Hydroelectricity. Sardar Sagawar project, Narmada, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Irrigation, hydroelectricity. Telchar power station, near Telchar, Orissa. Thermal power. Sharavati project, Sharavati near Jog Falls, Karnataka. Hydroelectricity. Korba project, near Korba, Coalfields, Madhya Pradesh. Thermal power. Kagarpura project, Tapti, Gujarat. Irrigation. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கூட பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ, பை பை.